Guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2019 Lucid Red Metallic Ford S-Max. It's a 2 litre EcoBlue titanium. It's currently at 21,963 miles and it is a diesel automatic with full dealership service history. Really nice looking thing. It's a 7-seater and the seats fold at the back, which I'll show you in a second. We'll start off with the alloys like always. It's got these 17-inch 5 double spoke alloy wheels. Really nice condition of all 4 alloys all the way around. It's got the projector halogen headlights with the automatic activation. There's the third one, and that's the last tyre. Comes with the rear privacy glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate, with the silver sheen roof rails and the shark fin aerial, with automatic rear view mirrors and the folding mechanism. Like I mentioned before, it does come with a full dealership service history, so it's got 3 service stamps. I will post the service stamps on the actual Auto Trader page so you can have a real good look. Comes with 2 keys as well. Got front and rear parking sensors. I'll just show you the tailgate. As you can see, it's got the rear parking sensors at the back, really good condition. I'll just show you the vehicle inside. As you can see, it's got the electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding mechanism and the child protection lock. Storage compartment just there. It's got the carbon black fabric seats with the headlights just there. Automatic activation just there. Multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with speed limiter. There's also a cluster instrument. As you can see, it's got 21,963. It's got features such as traction control. There's also driving alert. There's keep lane assist. So there's alert, aid, and aid, which is really cool. And you can choose the intensity. So there's low, normal, and high, which is a really good safety feature of the vehicle. There's also plenty of more settings, trip. Yeah, plenty of different spec. Comes with the 8-inch touchscreen display with features such as AM, FM, DAB, CD, Bluetooth integration. So that's really good. Climate control, so there's AC, all the different settings. There's phone integration, you just need to pair your phone. Sat-nav navigation with traffic report list just there. As you can see, so that's a really cool feature of the vehicle. There's 5 more apps once you actually pair your phone. There's also ambient lighting, which I'll show you in a second. So you can choose all the different colours. So there's orange. A good example to show you is there. I'll just put red, and you can choose the intensity. There's pink, which is a really cool feature. It'll light up even better at night. Obviously it's daytime at the moment. It does come with front and rear parking sensors, as you can see there, and a storage compartment just there. Air conditioning unit, 12-volt plug socket, 2 USB ports, storage compartment just there, electronic parking brake, stop and start function, parking aid, 2 cup holders, and a really nice black leather armrest with storage compartment and a bigger storage compartment there. I could probably fit my hand. One of the biggest arm storage compartments I've ever seen. But yeah, really nice looking in the inside. Like I mentioned, privacy glass at the rear side window, electronic windows, storage compartment, carbon black fabric seats with the ISOFIX seats all the way around. With the tables which adjust. Also comes with a 12-volt plug socket just there and a 3-pin plug, which is a really nice feature. Air conditioning unit, well looked after by its previous owner. It does come with 2 more extra seats at the back with a cup holder just there and another one just there, so it's about 5 or 6 cup holders. A storage compartment just there. Plenty of leg space all around the vehicle, as you can see. I'll just show you the tailgate. As you can see, it's got a storage compartment just here and the 2 seats there. Still plenty of space. They've got a 12-volt plug socket and a control unit just here, which folds the seats down, which is a really cool feature of the vehicle. As you can see, all electronical, so you can have plenty more space in the vehicle if you need to. But yeah, well looked after by the previous owner, plenty of space, really nice vehicle, to be honest. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.